you see, a woman of power.
Today's video is all about tea tree oil being a blemish buster. The aroma is fresh, slightly medicinal, with wood camphoraceous notes. Tea tree essential oil is one of the best known and loved oils around the world. It has been affectionately known as first aid in a bottle, and it is amazing for skincare, natural cleaning, and respiratory support. It promotes healthy skin and it cleans naturally. And here is today's recipe. For the blemish buster, just take 4 drops of tea tree essential oil, 6 drops of rosemary essential oil, 4 drops of lavender essential oil, 3 to 5 drops of either lemon or eucalyptus essential oil, and 1 ounce of a carrier oil of your choice. Mix well and apply as needed to the affected area. Remember to dilute. Add 2 drops of tea tree essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. And just a few cautions: it is kid safe for kids 2 and up. If you're pregnant, you can use it, but use it at 0.5% dilution rate. Breastfeeding safe? Yes, use it also at 0.5% dilution rate or less. Cat safe? No. Dog safe? No. Special dilution rate 0.5% or less. And beautiful babes, this has been your girl Sweet Angel, bringing it to you like no other. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. If you did in fact enjoy the video, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please check in, or just check in anyway. Always be sure to make sure that little red button shows gray and you hit that notification bell so you'll be in the know each and every time I have a new video for you. I'm excited about what's going on here, and I hope you are too. So please stick and stay. And please tell somebody where you're hanging out. Yes, share me with your world. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.